Now, you probably already know that we use many of the same letters that are used in the English language. This is the Latin alphabet. However, Latvians will not use all the letters from it. You can see that a Latvian will cross out Q. There is also no W, X, or Y in Latvian. Does that mean Latvian alphabet is short? Not at all. We have diacritics. A diacritic is an additional sign that is used to change a letter. In Latvian, every letter with diacritics is considered a different letter from the original one. The first diacritic that we use on 4 letters is a simple horizontal line. It is called macron. A macron does not slope upwards nor downwards. It also does not go in waves. Make it simple. Here you can see how it looks in my handwriting. Of course, it would look different in other handwritings, yours included, so the only thing to remember is add a horizontal line above the letter, whichever way you are used to writing it. One thing to bear in mind with the eyes is that you don't retain the dot over the lowercase I when you are using the macron. If you use the macron, the dot goes away. The second diacritic is the comma underneath the letter. It is conveniently called the under comma. We use it with 3 letters, adding 3 more new letters to our alphabet. Again, your own handwriting might look different, but it doesn't matter. Just put a comma under the letter. Not before, not after, just under. Whatever way you are used to writing a comma, it's gonna be fine. You can see that mine are nothing fancy as well. The third diacritic is a check, or if you like, a flying bird. We call it a caron. Caron can also be used with 3 letters, thus making 3 new ones. And here we have them in handwriting. Both sides of the check are usually pretty much the same length. But if you make one a bit longer in your handwriting, that is not a big deal. As you can see, mine look like ticks in checkboxes as well. If they were birds, they wouldn't fly very far. Now, you may have already noticed that each letter can only have one diacritic. Those that have carons don't have macrons, and so on. And then there's this weirdo. In typesetting, like various fonts on a computer, the capital letter will have an under comma, and the lowercase letter will boast a turned comma above. However, in handwriting, we use a caron. You can see me writing it here. So does that mean we make 3 new letters out of one? No, not at all. This one just looks differently, depending on how it's written. It's still the same letter.